Punahele Soriano and Uroš Medic squared off in a thrilling middleweight clash that had fans buzzing with excitement. Both fighters brought their striking heavy styles into the cage, and it was clear from the outset that neither man would shy away from engaging in a fierce stand-up battle. Soriano, known for his powerful knockout ability and explosive athleticism, was up against Medic, a fighter with precise striking and a sharp sense of timing. The question going into the fight was whether Soriano's raw power could overwhelm Medic's technical prowess. As the fight began, Soriano came out strong, immediately looking to impose his power and land his signature heavy shots. His fast hands and athletic build allowed him to close the distance quickly and land thunderous hooks. Medic, a skilled striker with a disciplined approach, showcased his clean technique, working from the outside and looking to land quick, sharp punches. Soriano was aggressive, pressuring Medic against the cage, but Medic remained composed, using his footwork to evade most of Soriano's early attacks. The first round was a tense one, with Soriano landing a few clean power shots but Medic countering with his slick combinations and movement, making it difficult for Soriano to land cleanly. In the second round, Soriano's pressure increased as he sought to close the distance and land more of his powerful punches. Medic, however, continued to be elusive, using his jab and feints to keep Soriano at bay. Medic's movement was impressive and he demonstrated excellent head movement to avoid Soriano's wild hooks. However, as the round progressed, Soriano's aggression seemed to overwhelm Medic at times, with Soriano landing a few solid blows that visibly rocked Medic. Soriano's power was evident, but Medic was able to recover quickly and keep his composure, circling away and landing his strikes with precision. By the third round, it became clear that both fighters were feeling the effects of the intense pace. Soriano, though still the more aggressive of the two, seemed to slow slightly while Medic was picking his shots with increasing accuracy. Medic's clean technique began to shine as he found his rhythm, landing quick counters and exploiting openings in Soriano's defense. Soriano was still dangerous, looking for that one knockout blow, but Medic's head movement and quick hands kept him out of harm's way. The round saw both fighters exchange strikes, with Soriano landing a few solid punches but Medic showing superior control and precision overall. As the final bell rang, it was clear that Medic's technical striking and ability to avoid damage had earned him the edge in the fight, while Soriano's power remained a threat throughout. Medic's ability to land clean strikes while avoiding the heaviest shots was crucial. The judges' scorecards reflected Medic's composed performance, and the decision went in his favor, with Medic earning a hard-fought unanimous decision victory. Medic's performance was a testament to his striking discipline and ability to avoid taking unnecessary risks. Soriano's aggression and power were undeniable, but Medic's poise and ability to control the pace ultimately won him the fight. The matchup between these two fighters proved to be an exciting display of contrasting styles, with Medic's technical skill outshining Soriano's raw power.